It wouldn't go quite as quick, but you could wrap it around the bars on your tailgate stuff.
Oh yeah.
But it's just, for me, it's like I want to try to keep it minimal too.
Yeah, no, I totally understand.
But
that's what I like about my tripod. But the only problem is that it's so small, and then I run over it so the legs don't extend anymore. But it's made for backpacking. It's the MePhoto Backpacker Air. It's only like a 2-pound tripod, and when it's all packed up, it's the size of a little Pepsi bottle.
Yeah,
which is pretty nice.
Yeah, no, that's pretty cool.
The breakfast going here.
This picnic table looks amazing.
Because I'll be like, what did you say? Am I missing conversation? And then I'll feel like kind of like I'm a jerk that I didn't pay attention to what you're saying. I'm like, oh no, he's just doing his video. But how nice is this to have like literally like an L-shaped area to cook? It's so nice because I can have like legitimate cook station, but then like a workstation. You know, this is what I wanted. And then when I get the new topper and I eliminate the slide out, I'll have my work area back. I can take off these stupid little rails.
Yeah, this is killer. All your cast iron up here.
And look at this too. It's
Brian
like,
just started talking. I wanted to get the what you really think. Yeah. You've been digging this setup.
Oh, I love it. I cannot wait to get the jerry cans and then the different propane tank.
Yeah, and I gotta say too, it's such a solid bumper.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you had a cheaper one or a crappier one, it's like, man, that would be such a pain.
Yeah.
I've had swing outs break and stuff. And
yeah, the mount on
play
this,
that game.
like just the connector where the swing out goes to the base of the bumper is solid. Yeah. Like no worries whatsoever. It's so nice having the big propane tank back here. Yeah. So it's gonna be good. I'm looking forward to winter because like I was thinking if I get that topper, you know, I could get one of those. Gosh, it's the type of propane heater that Sam had in his
the Kimbo. What was that? Wasn't that a diesel heater?
No, it's a propane one, but it's one that
the Dickinson.
Dickinson, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a wood stove, but it's a.
Yeah.
I got chastised for that when on YouTube once. I got chastised once because I called the Dickinson propane stove a wood stove.
All right, cool. I'm gonna get my other stuff. We're gonna start cooking food. You want pancakes, right?
Yeah, dude, that'd be sweet.
No.
He decided that wasn't what he wanted. Cool. But when you first bought it, like, you remember that mindset? Yeah, that's me right now. I'm going the other way. I went full side. Well, and not even. I had the JK before. This truck is an experiment. It is not a be-all, end-all.
Totally.
It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it's an experiment to try to. Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. Try to make it look badass.
You're doing a great job of making it look badass, dude. Thanks, man. You really are. I'm just gonna cook, so just do whatever.
Yeah. Fly-by shots, eh? You just wanted my butt shot.
And I come right up on you with the camera as well, and it's like, who's out here working? And it's a blessing and a curse.
Right? Cool, dude.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite trails.
Whoa, no way. Neat. No way. This is so cool. Dude, no way. How cool is it? They have RC events too that are like, it'd be like a course like this. And you're trying to do it. I mean,
did you do it, Phil?
yeah, I'm here.
Hey man, I'm right behind you.
But I don't want to go through the bushes.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude? We made it. But, yeah. Oh, I did it.
You did?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Phil, you're such a badass of walking through the bushes, dude.
Only one in the crew. Should make the line, no big deal. No big deal.
No, I didn't say it, but I'm a total badass.
It was scary, but I knew. Jeez. See here, it's like, ah, excuse me.
Is she running around like crazy? Oh, look at all these red.
She's nicer. Koda would have like just slammed.
Look at this right here. This is an awesome part of the trail.
She's like, it's me and you. Look out, there's a race. Oh my gosh. You gotta have good shoes. You gotta be nimble. Keeps you nimble, keeps you young. Oh, sidewall. Test your sidewall. You gotta test your sidewall every once in a while.